In a world of 7 billion people, have you ever wondered, would I be missed if I disappeared tomorrow? Today, we're diving into a powerful Stoic concept that could change how you live your life. We're going to learn how to be missed. But first, let's clarify. This isn't about seeking validation or popularity. It's about living a life of purpose and impact. The ancient Stoics believed that true fulfillment comes from living virtuously and contributing to the greater good. Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher king, wrote, "What we do now echoes in eternity." But how do we ensure our actions create a positive echo? Here are 3 Stoic principles to help you become truly irreplaceable. 1. Cultivate excellence in your chosen field. 2. Practice kindness and generosity. 3. Leave things better than you found them. First, cultivate excellence. The Stoics believed in doing your absolute best in whatever role you occupy. Whether you're a teacher, an artist, or a parent, strive to excel. Your unique skills and dedication will make you invaluable. Second, practice kindness and generosity. Epictetus said, "What is the fruit of these teachings? Only the most beautiful and proper harvest of the truly educated, tranquility, fearlessness, and freedom." By treating others with compassion, you create lasting positive impressions. Lastly, always leave things better than you found them. This applies to your workplace, your relationships, and your community. Small, consistent acts of improvement compound over time. Remember, being missed isn't about being irreplaceable in grand, world-changing ways. It's about the accumulation of small, meaningful actions that impact those around you. So, how will you start living a life worthy of being missed? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Stoic wisdom applied to modern life. Live well, do good, and create a legacy that echoes through the lives you touch. Until next time, stay Stoic.